wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Mono Allure wig by Jon Renau in the color Shaded Berry, also known as 131T4S4. This isn't so much about the Shaded Berry. If you want to know more about that color, make sure you stay tuned for our Color Spotlight series on CysterWigs 2, where we will cover the color in great detail. This is mainly about Mono Allure, so let's dive right in. The front on Mono Allure is 4 inches, but it's softly curled off the face so it doesn't get in my eyes. I love that. So if I wanted to wear it down, see how it kind of curls to stay out of your eyes? That's fantastic. So this is what this one looks like with the fringe down. It's pretty cute. The nape is 1.5 inches. I think this one's really fun. It's got a double monofilament top, which I'll show you in more detail when I take the wig off. And it's got the same luscious fullness and layering that the regular Allure has, but without as much permatease. So that means that over time, this wig will settle a little bit more than the regular Allure, and will try over time to lay a little bit more flat. If you like that, awesome, just give it time, wash it, keep wearing it, and it'll do this naturally. If you don't like this, try drying it upside down at night, or storing it upside down. And that way the knots on the monofilament pivot upward, and they'll stay like that for most of the following day. I think this wig is really, really fun. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off now. This has a fairly generous cap for an average sized double monofilament wig. I find this to be very comfortable on. I would say it still fits average, but it's, you know, average asterisk, you know, because it's got that little room for stretch. We have open ear tabs. We also have an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, open ones on the side and the back. And this is that layering in the back of the wig. I love the top here. How this is cut is just so pretty and softly rounded the way that it's styled. Just looks great with that layering. Classic sort of long pixie. She has nice long hair here on the sides. The coverage is very good on me on this wig, on the sides here. So I think this one's great. Now, if you have an average large cap size or a large cap size, this one will probably be pinchy. But for everybody else, this will fit great, and it is a wonderful dressed up complement if you like the Allure, the original Allure, and you want something for special occasions or maybe something different for the office, but along the same lines. This is a wonderful upgrade. So this has been the Mono Allure from Jon Renau in the color Shaded Berry. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching my videos. Hopefully you'll subscribe so you don't miss any of the ones that come up in the future. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.